Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news as it breaks, breaking news, and different happenings,
especially in the music industry, young upcoming ones, and they have kept accusing Sam Larry. Yeah, they are accusing. That's what I'm saying. I'm not the one accusing you. They call me, they tell me he has harassed them, he has bullied them, he has collected money from them forcefully, and some of them have posted the videos online. There are not videos online about this. It's not like we are just saying what we don't know. It's there, and these people, some of them at least they are still alive. It's only Mohbad that is late now, but at least when Mohbad did his video, he was alive, so it's also an evidence, right? So sad. These children, what they tell me, or these young ones, they're like, if we come as now, the little evidence that are out there, Sam Larry has not been brought in for questioning. So how safe can they be when they now come and give their own evidence? What is the assurance when Mohbad is dead, with all his videos that has been trending on social media about Sam Larry, even some videos that we saw where Sam Larry came when Zlatan and Mohbad were having a recording this year, and he has been, we don't know if he's already being questioned or is with the right authorities, because if he's being questioned, then these young ones can have the courage to want to say, okay, this man that is bullying us, because as far as they're concerned, and I am concerned, it's my observation, he's a bully. He has been bullying these young ones, and he's still out there or somewhere, because we saw a video of some of these boys that came and said they are his boys, nothing is going to happen, they will do this and do that. He was sending out threats. And we need to understand that these young ones that are complaining, they are still teenagers. They cannot be bold and strong like we, their mothers or fathers that are here seated today, fighting on their behalf. So we need you, sir, to use your good officer to let them know, the public know, because there's a lot of them. There are a lot of them out there that really want justice. And we need to make the environment safe for our young ones. We call them the leaders of tomorrow, sir. And if they are not safe, that all of them, that's why most of them, apart from the hardship going on in the country, the Japa syndrome is also part of the fact that they don't feel safe in their own country, sir. If we can help them get this man, who they claim is a thief, and do a proper investigation, so that these young ones can have the courage to come on board and make their claims. And some of them have evidence, because most times they record. You know, young ones have a way of recording all these incidents, and they can put it on board so that he can be brought to justice if truly he is found guilty, so that he can serve an example for other ones out there who want to be bullying these children, harassing them, you know, and spreading this fear into these young children. Because music in our society today has really put Nigeria on down now, and we would not like some few sets of people to come and destroy that for us, sir. That's one thing, sir. Another thing is that for me, I got an information about a young boy who was also under Naramadi's label. And I found out that he had mental health. His mother came to cry out to a certain club called Zisodel, and I got that information through my DM that I should please help visit this boy, which I did. I made a video. What we posted on social media, the video was already the interview was already half done, and I had my reasons for not starting live with the interviews, because I wanted to keep some information private. The videos are with me. I'm going to be giving it to you, sir, so that you can listen to it. I will appreciate. It took a lot of effort for us to get this boy to even come out. The mother really wanted him to come out because she's also suffering from hypertension. She's afraid that she might die anytime if this problem is not solved. And who will now look after this boy who has mental health issues now, and who is one of our strong, I'm sorry. So, sir, please, I would like this boy to be brought in, interviewed, questioned, find out what exactly is going on with him, whatever transpired between him and Mali, you know, and we are trying on our own part, the NGOs and a lot of our friends out there are really supporting the guy. They'll be sending money to him so that he can get treatment. We've made arrangements for that. He's already getting treatment as we speak. He's getting treatment already. But they are also they are still afraid. We don't know why. We don't know what must have transpired for them to be so much afraid. But I gave them so much confidence that I still believe they need to start. And I told them, I said nothing will happen to him because I know you will protect him and he will get the right treatment. Because he's a young boy that is just trying to survive, sir. And there's a lot of them out there that are going through the same. I am stressed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So please, sir. Mohbad is gone already. It's a pity. I had that opportunity to be with him 1 or 2 times, but unfortunately, he didn't tell us much. I didn't know much. But at least this DJ Splash, right? He's still very much alive. And we need you to please help save this boy's life and find out, and whoever it is that is truly behind what is going to be brought to both, so that other young ones can have the courage when they are going through such to run to you people and say, oh, please help us. And we need, maybe like you said, an online platform that they know that when they go through, they can send information or send a phone number or something to, you know. I know Officer Benjamin is on social media and is one of the people they always go to tag, you know, to send information to. But sometimes these informations are written out there, you don't know who is seeing it and who is going back to threaten them. So if they can get like, you know, an email or, you know, a website that they can go to, make their complaint, and there's fast response, you know, it will also help these young ones to be able to come out whenever there's a problem and to state their problems. So that's information. Okay. For all protocol in your job, and I said that my name is my point is, what the lawyer has said, he has actually something for this up. But there are some salient questions and some salient positions that we, the people that are asking for justice for Mohbad, are asking. We know that, as we say, as we heard, that they want to exhume the corpse of Mohbad. We would like to know how soon that will be. We might not be able to know when, because of security or whatever reason, but we would like to know how soon that is going to be. And also, we would like to know how soon the autopsy report and every other thing will be. And also, a lot of times, the chemistry between the police force and the public is still streamlined to a large extent. A lot of times, communication solves a lot of problems. There's still a gap between the Nigerian police and the public. The truth of the matter is, just as we have bad eggs in the society, we also have bad eggs in the court as well. But we believe that it is not everybody that is actually negative. There are still some people that are upright and stand for the right thing, which is why we believe that what the court we're fighting for, if it is well treated and urgently treated and we get justice, we believe for the Nigerian police force would increase in the minds of the public. This is an avenue for the force to prove to us that justice can still be gotten anyhow. That is one. Two, we are also seeking. Okay. Well, it's also informative. Sorry. And there's a video.